Let's bring you back to a place you've known before. You arrive, you step out through an open door and say a soft hello to an old friend. Just one more. As I greet you, your guide through this journey, who makes it all happen, not can but will. The gatekeeper to domestic thrill in your home away from home. Now you choose which floor is whose, and each with their views of masterpieces. And enter a world of pure imagination, a fantasia of your own, a splendor and delight. Your local getaway, an oasis within a hive of activity. From time to time, we all forget to look up, to gaze skyward at a painted cup, and where the grandest things can come from the humblest of places, and manners maketh all, no matter how large or tall. A front door to the world's crown jewels, from pomp and power, a realm of quaint experience, to guard and tower, a journey through history's wonders in your garden. A three-tiered delight to entertain, and whet your palate, hand-picked to wow. Don't you think so, Lilybet? The ultimate relaxation, at the push of a button, your thirst is quenched. A picture-perfect pampering, see yourself reflected in the panoply of gold and black, and go to sleep in a mirage of wondrous dreams, amid nights of floating bliss, where your every request, even your best, are met and more, possibilities like you've never seen before, sommeliers round about to suit your taste, familiar and undiscovered, and return to your home away from home, be enraptured by the enchantment of the liquid museum of spirits. And this and more you'll feel just walking through our open door, and you'll be sure you're home.